Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Instagram Edit's volume ducking feature. So let's get straight into the video. So what you want to do is open your Instagram application, tap on the plus icon, click on gallery and enter any video that you want to. Once you've done so, what the volume ducking is that it automatically lowers the background music or trending audio whenever you speak in your video. This ensures that your talking head clip or voiceover remains crystal clear without drowning in the music. All you need to do now is simply go ahead and tap on the Add Audio tab. Let's just say Add a Audio right over here. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the imported audio track on your timeline. And then you want to look for the volume ducking right over here and simply go ahead and click on Detect Voiceover or Voice in Video. And then you can simply go ahead and start the ducking. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.